Yeah.
Richard, I like the spice again from this.
I see it hit you there.
Yeah, right. The coconut, amazing. I love the creation. It's something out of the box, and you
Coconut
would
curry.
normally get with the wings and even the tenders. So you guys go ahead and enjoy.
Thank you,
I'm gonna. I'm not enough to say that.
No,
right?
you didn't need an invitation.
Based on what again, Richard, I'm gonna create a nice classic cocktail here. Because we reached the point where we're gonna create a nice classic cocktail, and I'm gonna use this orange liqueur, which is Cointreau, which is made from sweet oranges and bitter oranges. So it's a combination of two. And it's distilled into this clear spirit, which is an orange liqueur, but normally people will always think it's the juice and again that look of the orange, right? The base of it is a clear neutral spirit, meaning in the production stage, the oranges are infused into a clear neutral spirit. You know, it can be something like, I wouldn't say rum or vodka, but most likely something, the beginnings of vodka, right?
You know, I'll be honest with you, I have one of these at home and I never knew what it's for. It's just one of those things, you know?
He said something earlier. It's a triple sec.
It's a triple. Well, it's in the bar world, triple sec is known as orange liqueur. But when you say Cointreau, then you're talking about something a little more premium and something more well crafted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's exactly that. How do you use that?
Yes.
I would have more home as you said, and I don't know. I'm not sure how to use it in a drink.
Yeah.
Which
So
I think you just
oranges,
know.
Joe,
Yeah.
are something that a lot of people are accustomed to on the palate.
Right.
In terms of a familiar flavor.
Right.
Right. If you tell me something like Pomerac or Sapodilla,
Yeah.
it's not common for your palate. Oranges are common, and they are found in most of the most well-known and enjoyed classic cocktails all over the world. So I'm gonna start this cocktail by adding 2 ounces of tequila, right?
Joe, try the curry now, man.
I love the curry. You know, I think I had that by you once, you know, Richard.
Only one?
Coconut curry. Yeah, the coconut
You
curry.
just talk about
Because-
support.
No, but you see, because the coconut curry is something that I wasn't sure how it would have gone with wings.
I had it for lunch today. It's one of my absolute favorites. But you like the spicy meal?
I love the spicy meal.
Hey, get this. Get away for this, Richard, because you see the curry and you see the buffalo. I think it works well.
You added lime to the I want to follow you, you know, so you added lime to the
Yes, Joe. So the lime now is to balance back the sweetness and a classic margarita.
right.
The can't leave out lime.
Also, you're doing is an actual margarita.
Yeah, it's a margarita.
Coming back to the bites, you know one of the reasons that we went to bites? A lot of people wanted a chicken sandwich. So we did the bites, and then a lot of people like to have different sauces, and they come and they ask for all kind of various things. Yeah, that man, I make it a proper bite.
Enjoy that chicken.
Yeah.
I love fishing.
Close his eyes on the chicken and you know.
Shake, senora. Shake it all the time.
So making somebody make a sugar thing next year. And they know the exact amount of time to shake for as well, eh?
Yeah.
So Ty, would this be a orange flavored margarita based on the Cointreau?
No. This is actually a classic margarita, and it has lime in it because the lime and tequila pairs well.
Right. And how the orange liqueur or the orange
The orange comes in as the sweetener
Right.
because Cointreau is sweet because
Right.
it's a liqueur. Liqueur falls under the classification of alcohol, sugar, and ingredient. So a syrup or cordial is the same thing but without the alcohol. So we can't call it a liqueur if we can't call it a liqueur if we don't have alcohol in it. So this
Okay.
actually has alcohol in it. Yeah?
I can't remember when I had a margarita.
I love margaritas.
Yeah,
It's just that
I
staple.
normally when I'm on vacation, I think that's when I normally have margaritas.
So I'm just gonna strain this over into my margarita glass. And margaritas, guys, it could be served frozen or on the rocks.
Yeah.
I definitely prefer to serve it on the rocks.
I think I prepare that way
Yeah.
as well.
I
You know
implore
when I
you.
wake up in the morning, I
implore
smell
you
the
to
air
try
and I
that.
feel like carnival is still in the air too.
Carnival is still
The banker is real!
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No other remedy right now than a good drink.
Whoa.
Tequila.
Classic tequila. Classic. And the control, I think you're just getting a little bit of the
Flavor.
The orange as well.
Mm-hmm.
So the orange and lime, perfect combination.
The combination.
Yeah, the tequila is there. It makes it present. So it has that smoky background flavor as well. And then the lime now and the salt complements each other. Because when you take a shot, you're taking lime and salt.
Lime and salt. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have had a margarita so long time.
Cheers, man.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Cheers, Rich.
Welcome, guys. You guys definitely need to enjoy this. I'm gonna try this because I can't get over this coconut curry sauce. Yeah.